This short video is going to identify the critical components or performance criteria of the forehand strike according to the Victorian Department of Education. The first component is the eyes are focused on the ball throughout the strike. In a game of tennis, it would be fine for the player to be looking at the opponent's court to figure out where they want to hit it. Hitting the shot though, the learner would need to keep their eyes on the ball. The second component is standing side on to the target with the racket in one hand. The third component relates to the backswing. At the end of the backswing, the striking arm should be nearly straightened behind the shoulder. The fourth component is ensuring the learner steps towards the target with the foot opposite the striking arm during the strike. This step will allow the striker to generate momentum, ultimately producing more power. Component 5 relates to trunk rotation. The learner should show marked sequential hip to shoulder rotation during the strike. This means the hips and the shoulders both rotate, but they rotate in a sequence. The hips start to rotate slightly ahead of the shoulders. By doing so, the learner is able to produce greater torque and greater racket head speed, which means they can hit the ball harder and faster. Component 6 is making sure ball contact is made opposite the front foot with a straight arm. Doing so will help the learner make clean contact, and it will also help control the direction of the strike. The last component is making sure the learner follows through towards a target and around the body. Some learners will tend to stop their strike as soon as contact is made. We don't want this to be the case. If you put all those components together, the forehand strike looks something like this.